teacher.
Hello, Lily. Good evening.
Good evening, teacher.
Yes. So, how are you today, Lily?
I am so okay.
Can you
What about you?
please open your camera?
Yes, I am on the camera.
Okay. So now, Lily, how was your holiday? How was your holiday, Lily?
Yes.
Yeah, how was your holiday? How was your holiday, Lily?
In the Laura.
Hello, Lily. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. And what in the
Okay, so can you hear me well, Lily?
yes, I can hear you.
Okay, so now how about my screen? Can you see my screen?
Yes, I can see.
Okay, so now, Lily, are you ready to learn?
It's okay.
Okay, so Unit 32 is all about Mary Goes Shopping. How about you, Lily? Do you like going to shop? Do you like shopping?
Yes, I can watch shopping.
You like? Yes, I like shopping like that. Okay, so here, what does Mary buy when she went shopping? So let's learn the words from our vocabulary. No, we're going to learn grammar, it's countable, and uncountable nouns. Okay, so here, can you please read this one, Lily?
I can look. It's very hostile. It's very loud.
What?
I can look. It's very hostile.
It's
Hostile.
very blur.
Yes, floor.
Okay, so I will send this one to you in Zalo.
Okay.
Go to your Zalo. I'll send it there. Where is Lily? Okay, here is Lily. I'll send it to you. Okay, so did you see the picture that I sent?
Yes, I can look.
Okay, so now I want you to read countable and uncountable nouns. Can you please read that one?
Maybe one. Can be.
Okay, countable nouns can be singular or plural. We can count them: one apple,
Yes,
two
okay.
apples, three apples, like that. Yes. So when you say countable nouns, that means it can be counted with your finger. Example, tomato. We can count tomato with our finger. Yeah. Then, uncountable nouns have no plural form. We cannot count them. Just like milk, you cannot count milk unless you put them in the glass or cup. Milk, water, cheese, money, and bread. We cannot count them. Some food we can count and some food we can't. Example. So the example for food that can be counted are apples, tomato, banana, grapes, mango, papaya, and flowers. We can count them. But how to make an uncountable noun countable? We cannot count soup. Look at the milk. Can we count the milk?
Yes.
No, we cannot count milk. Okay. Milk cannot be counted unless we put them in the jar or in the bottle of glasses. So now, Lily, I want you to write here all the words that belong to countable nouns. We have singular and plural. When you say singular, that means it's only one. Just like tomato. Look at the tomato. How many tomato are there? How many tomato are there?
I can see one tomato. One tomato.
Okay, one tomato. Is it singular or plural?
It's singular.
Singular. Very good. Okay. So, how about the apples? How many apples are there?
Um, one, two, three. It's a five apple.
Yes, there are five apples. When you say apples, is it singular or plural?
A singular.
It's singular. It's plural because it has S. When you say plural, that means two or five. Two or more than two. Two, three, four, five. That's plural. Just like the apples, one apple, two apple, three, four, and five. There are five apples. That means apples is plural. Okay, so do you have any question? Do you have any question?
Wait.
Do you have any question?
In the plural is a cheese and a bread in the picture here.
What?
I am thinking in the plural is a cheese and a bread in the picture here.
When you say bread and cheese or milk, it is not plural and it is not either singular. That
Oh,
is uncountable.
now
They
teacher. No, as I don't think it's a plural. I think it's a plural is one and out ten, and as I think a plural is or the milk or the water or the soup.
no, no, no. When you say singular, look at this one. When you say singular, that
Yes,
means only
one.
one. Just like, example, apple, banana,
Oh, it's okay.
banana, what else? Mango, papaya. When you say plural, that means two or more. Example, apples. It have S, apples. Bananas, mangoes, papayas. That is singular. When you say and here, singular and plural, they all belong to countable nouns. They belong here. They belong here. Okay? Both of them belong to countable nouns. And when you say uncountable nouns, it doesn't have plural form. No plural form, just like milk, water, cheese, money, and bread. Do you understand, Lily?
Ah, it's okay.
Yes. Okay, so do you have any question?
Now,
Okay, so for this one, let's apply what you have learned with countable that belongs to singular, plural, and uncountable, which is it doesn't have a plural. Okay, example for countable, we have singular, just like biscuit. Okay, biscuit.
uh,
Plural, that's apples. Uncountable, that's yogurt. So now, Lily, I want you to write all the words, each word here from the box to the column that they belong.
I am something uncountable.
What?
I am something is uncountable.
What do you mean you don't think about uncountable? You don't know what is uncountable?
Yes.
Ah, when you say uncountable, Lily, you cannot count. Just like yogurt. Can you count yogurt? No. Can you count money? No. You cannot count with your finger. Pollution. No. Water. Can you count water?
Ah,
No, you cannot count water. They all belong to uncountable. Do you understand?
wait. Wait. 1 minute.
Okay, just write your answer, Lily.
Wait, teacher. 1 minute. Teacher.
Yes.
Drummers is not countable.
No, yogurt is uncountable. You cannot count it.
No, I am done.
Do you know yogurt?
I am and I am not uncountable. It's a young.
What do you mean? Do you know yogurt? Do you know yogurt? Yes or no?
Ah, okay, okay, okay. I'm thinking.
Okay, so just write your answer. You start with bottles.
Okay, singular. Just wait. Can children.
How about uncountable, Lily?
I'm thinking. Is this?
Lily, please tell me once you're done, okay? Let's check one by one. Where did you put bottles? Bottles. Where do you want to put bottles? You can also cross out, Lily, all the things that's finished here. Yeah. Just like biscuit, done, children, done, table, so that you will not be confused. Sandwiches, tea, like that.
It's okay, teacher.
Okay, so let's check. We have here bottles, bread, what else? Cheese, children, coffee, meat, knife. Okay, so these are the answers. So for this one, You got poster. Okay, poster. Knife. Very good. You got knife. Table. Table also table. Meat. Okay, and for this one, battles. Children. Ah, you didn't. No, 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 children. Mice. Very good. Sandwiches. For this one, you got tea. 3, 6, 7. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 out of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 17. 11 out of 16. So now, Lily, I want you to read all the countable singular nouns. We have biscuit.
Biscuits can give poster table.
You say knife.
Knife,
Okay, how about plural? We have
apples, petals, children, feet, mat, sandwich,
mice. Mice.
mice, sandwich,
And you say sandwiches.
sandwiches.
Okay, how about uncountable? Okay.
Youngest, bread, cheese, coffee, mate, fish.
Very good. So here, I want you to read the grammar, some and any. Okay, so here, let's learn the grammar, some and any. Please listen to me, Lily. We use some and any with plural countable and uncountable nouns. Then we use some in positive sentences. Example, there are some apples in that bowl. There's some milk in the fridge. Then we use any in negative sentences and questions. Example, there aren't any apples in that bowl. There isn't any milk in the fridge. Are there any apples in that bowl? Is there any milk in the fridge? So now, Lily, do you have any question regarding some and any? Do you have any question with some and And many, Lily?
Is enough.
Okay. So here, I want you. Let's learn there is and there are. So we use there is plus singular noun. Example, there is a book on the desk. We only use is because there is only one book on the desk. We use there are plus plural. There are books on the desk. We use are because there are many books on the desk. There is some milk in the fridge. That means uncountable noun, which is milk. There is some milk on the fridge. Then this sentence here are what we call affirmative. And this one is negative. Yes. Example, there isn't plus singular noun, there isn't a pen on the table. There aren't plus plural noun, there aren't any pens here. There isn't plus uncountable, there isn't any juice in the fridge. Then for the interrogative, that means asking question, there is a cat on the chair. Is there a cat on the chair? There are cats on the sofa. Are there cats on the sofa? How many plus plural plus are there? How many students are there in your class? How many days are there in February? So we have contractions. There's, that means there is. There's not, that means there is not. There isn't, that means there is not. There aren't, that means there are not. Do you understand all of this one, Lily? Do you understand? Very good. So
Uh,
now, look at the picture and answer the questions. What's next to the rice? What's next to the rice? What's next to the rice? Look at the picture. What's next to the rice?
so next, the right is onions. There, there's onion. They are
There are onions.
there are onions.
Okay, what color is the box of tea?
Red,
What color is the box of tea?
there is there's there's red and yellow.
Okay, they are red and yellow.
They are red and yellow.
Okay, what's in the blue bowl? What's in the blue bowl?
The- There are there are orange.
Okay, there are oranges. You say there are oranges.
There are oranges.
Okay, so here, can you please read a lot of?
What?
Can you please read a lot of?
Where a lot of
This one.
where
We use a lot of.
a lot of with countable and nouns to take a nearest number. or a news content, there are a lot of apple in the bag. They aren't a lot of orange in that bowl. There's a lot of food in the fridge. Is there a lot of cola in the kettle?
Okay. How about not much? Can you please read wait, I will read it for you. We use not much or not many in negative sentences to talk about a small number or a small quantity. We use not much with uncountable nouns and not many with plural countable nouns. For example, I haven't got much money. There aren't many shops here. So, do you have any question regarding this one? Do you have any question regarding this one? Do you have any question?
Wait, I'm thinking.
Okay.
Is a lot.
Okay. Do you have what is your question? Do you have question?
No,
Okay. So here, since it's almost time, Lily, we will just end here. Do you have any question?
no.
Okay. So thank you so much for joining our class today, Lily. I hope to see you on Thursday. Goodbye, Lily. Have a good night.